That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price.
Another field change.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6. He has picked up the length on that so early. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. That was an absolute gift for the batsman and he cashed in. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Outstanding shot. It's a bigger boundary there. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? And he helps himself to a 6. That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. What good batting that is. Excellent shot making.
Another field change.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Great shot. He has dispatched that and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. That is straight out of the middle of the bat. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
That was pretty ordinary delivery. Got what it deserved. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. Oh, that's marvelous. Looks even better in the replay. Some words between the skipper and the bowler. They need to come up with a plan. Perhaps a couple of fielding changes might help, or maybe the bowler just needs to get his head down. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Straight up in the air, and that's a 6.
They are batting well together, and that is a great partnership for the batting side.
He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Batsman can't find the gap. It's straight to the fielder.
There's a fielder at extra cover.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. He has picked up the length on that so early.
Can he do it again?
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. That was an absolute gift for the batsman, and he cashed in.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for 4. Outstanding shot. It's a bigger boundary there. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing.